Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hey, good day traders. This is StockLegends.com taking a third look here at BMSPF for December 2nd, 2011. This is a 60-minute chart. We're also going to take a look at the longer-term weekly chart in a moment, but right now we're taking a look at the 60-minute chart. And this gives us very excellent short-term buy and sell signals here for making entries and exits. And as we can see, if we want to take a look at what we would consider a breakout, what we would do to find breakout points. Breakout points are where trends reverse from downtrends and they start new uptrends. So what we do to find breakouts is we draw straight lines along high points in a downtrend. So you can see this is a particular downtrend right now. The stock is moving lower, and we can take a look at each of our high points. We draw a straight line, and when the trend line gets broken, the stock moves up in the opposite direction. Again, we saw another fall just after it, and we had another breakout point right here. This is where we last alerted the stock, and we had a nice move all the way up to 4 cents. Now from here, we had a lot of selling come into the stock, so we had a big pullback. Hope a lot of people got an opportunity to take some profits, but for those that are still in the stock, that's some great news for you. We had a sell signal up here generated on the 60-minute chart during a short-term sell signal, and we saw a pullback come down, and we could draw another trend line here, a red trend line, and now we've got another breakout point. So we can see also the MACD line, which gives us those crossover points, gives us sell signals, and crossover points to the upside can give us buy signals. This is confirming, this is just a confirmation that the trend is reversing. So we see the crossover point occur here, which is great. We have a lot of volume, buying volume come in. We had and this is keep in mind this is an hourly chart, so we had just over 500,000 shares in the last hour of trading on Friday. So a lot of interest is coming back in the stock, and we could see a nice rally occur from this particular point. Where will it go from here? We do have some resistance, possibly at our last high here of 2.1 cents. So watch for a possible exit at that particular area. We could even go quite a bit higher from here. If we take a look at our longer term chart, this is the weekly chart that I've drawn for you guys, and I've included in my previous videos. We can see basically what we call channel patterns, and these are rising channels. So basically we see the stock basically bouncing between these two solid lines. Now these lines do move in parallel, so once we find a few low points, we can determine where the next high points will be. And once the support's broken and the price exits the channel, we get a consolidation or a downward move. So we saw our first move up to 3.1 cents. We had another rising channel occur here, which with a high point at 5.7 cents, and the high point was higher than the last one. So again, we've got consecutive higher low points, and we've got consecutive higher high points. And now what we're looking at here again is a third rising channel. You can see the top of it's been tested quite a few times. We were able to push the stock up into the resistance area, and it had a very swift pullback all the way back to the support. Now it's holding the support area here on the weekly chart as well, so that's still a positive sign. We can see that the TRIX is still trending upwards, so it's also confirming that the upward trend still is intact at this particular point in time. So this could be a very excellent buying opportunity, even better than the last time we alerted the stock, considering we're just coming off the support. We see that 60-minute stock breaking out to the upside, so we should see a nice run into early next week. Thanks very much for watching. Happy trading, and until next time.